Hi, this video is going to show you how to use a free online voice recorder. This means you can add your voice to your Google Slides as they open or on click. There are no apps or downloads needed. You can trim your audio and more. You can read all of the options available below and access the online link below the video. When you click on the link, all you have to do is click on the microphone to start. You'll then see this screen that shows your voice recording. When you're finished, you're going to press on the red circle with the square inside. You'll then see this length of your video, and you'll see blue sliders that you can drag to trim your audio. And then you're going to want to click save, and the saved audio file will go to your download folder. So I clicked on recents, and below here you could see where the file exists in my download folder. I then can go to my Google Slide file that I want to insert the audio in. I go to the Insert menu, Audio. It's going to allow me to select from my drive or my recents file in my downloads. And once I do that, I can then see this window pop up that says Format Options so that you can play the video when you click or automatically, which is what I like, when the slide opens. You can also change the volume. You can also loop the audio or stop on slide change, which is automatically the default. So to show you an example of the inserted audio, instead of clicking on the link, I'm going to open the file here so we don't have to wait for the file to download, and I'm going to put it in present mode. And we'll wait for my video. I forgot to trim off the front end. You are going to learn how to record your own videos using Screencastify. And there's the little video clip I inserted. And I hope this helps you to add audio to your Google Slides. Thank you for watching.